So today I'm going to be doing brown stew fish tutorial. So I have here 5 yellowtail snappers that I've already washed with cold water and lime. And they've been scaled and they've been cut up. If you notice, I cut them all, slit them all about 4 times on each side. And that's for the seasoning to be able to get into the fish better. So I've taken the liberty of already putting my seasoning together that I'm going to use to season the fish, which is onion powder, fish seasoning, ground black pepper, garlic powder, Maggi fish seasoning, a little bit of adobo, and a teaspoon of salt is all mixed up in this season. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take a fish and I'm just going to go ahead and season each fish, making sure I get inside of the slit of the fish. Okay, back again. This is part 2. So in this process, when you're doing the brown stew fish, you start out with like frying the fish. I'm not going to fry my fish all the way through. I'm going to fry it, but not all the way through, because I'm trying to do things a little bit healthier. And I'm using olive oil. This is olive oil, and I'm not going to deep fry the fish. I'm just going to fry it on either side. And I've put in garlic in there, 2 cloves, just to give the oil a nice taste when frying the fish. So the fish has already been seasoned and is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add probably about 2 fish in the pot, because only 2 can go in at a time. And I'm just, like I said, I'm not going to brown the fish all the way. I'm not going to fry the fish all the way through. I'm just going to brown mine for the sake of health reasons. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cook it down. But I'll come back and show you that in the other video. So stay tuned. Okay, here I am back again. I believe this may be part 3 of the brown stew fish tutorial. So here, the seasonings that I have cut up, that I put a picture up of, I'm going to go ahead and toss into the pot with a little bit of the olive oil that I used to fry the fish. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stir that up. And I'm going to add in these seasonings, pack of Sazon, a pack of bouillon cube or bouillon packet, a little of this soy sauce, and ketchup. Here I am back again. This is the last part of the video. So I added water. It was probably about 2 cups of water that I added to cook the seasoning down with all the stuff that I had showed you in the previous video that I added. So with the seasoning already half cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add back the fish inside. The fish that I had already prepared. Just add it inside of the pot. Sorry for that. Trying to video and do it at the same time. And you just go ahead and spoon this over and let it cook. Okay, I'm back again. So this is the last and final part. This is how the fish should look when it's finished cooking. Mine is almost done. And I'm going to turn the fire off. Be careful not to manipulate the fish or move it around once you put it back in the pot, because it gets soft quick and it'll break apart. And yeah, so this is how it should look, and this is how your gravy comes out. And there's not a lot of oil in there. It comes from the natural oils in the fishes and in the fish, and also the ketchup and the other seasonings that are put back in it. So basically, you know, this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be a nice gravy. This is the consistency that it should be, or a little bit thicker than this. So I'm going to let it cook down for a few more minutes, and it should thicken all the way up. And that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope that you try it. And let me know how it turns out. Take care.